Hi, my name is Stefan. I'm responsible for international sales with easescreen. easescreen, the digital signage solution for all your applications that you would like to do. Welcome at ISE 2020. We are here again and we want to show you our different kind of solutions right here. We do have, for example, one of the possibilities that you have is like any kind of interactivity can be used as a trigger for all different kinds of application that you have. And the parts that we wanted to show this year is the flexibility that you have. One of which is you can go cloud, you can go on-premise, you can buy the system, you can own the system, you can go subscription, you can go however you would like to have it. easescreen provides you the solution with all the flexibilities you have. With premium partners, we wanted to show you also a lot more that we have done, a lot more of HTML5 with SOC integrations, and the freedom to choose wherever you would like to have them. Anything and everything that you see on our 200 square meter booth is controlled by easescreen, one of which is, for example, where we have switch everything to a wild world impression. And the wild world means just go out there, there's a jungle out there, be with the best of the best to survive and get the best projects out there. Yeah, we are at, if you would like to have more information, go to easescreen.com, easescreen with an E, and we would like to meet you the next couple of days at ISE in Hall 8, booth E120.